So we started rebuilding the RC10 today. We took the dampers apart. I drained all of the oil out of those just into some kitty litter just to get rid of the oil, cleaned them out, filled them up with fresh oil, let them sit in my cardboard box, and while I did that I went and played with my 1/12 scale Kyosho. I then started putting things back together, so yeah, I put the front suspension back together first. All went together really nicely, really easy kit to build. The manual makes this seem far more complicated than it really is, I think. Just interesting how that's written. Yeah, I got the gearbox in, again cleaned, stripped, greased and oiled. And yeah, all going together really nicely, all looking really good. Really pleased with the look of it. Cleaned up really well. And yeah, I'm really happy with it. This is just showing you all the way around it. You can see the pan's got a few scratches on it, but we've seen those before. But it's cleaned up really, really well. Just need at this point to go and finish it off, put in the battery tray and a few other parts, get it up and running. Hi all. So I spent the afternoon putting the RC10 back together. Goes together really nicely, really easily. Yeah, it's been good fun. I've cleaned and greased the gearbox. I've oiled all the bearings with bearing oil, Ninja bearing oil, no less. I've put the wheels back on it at the moment without tyres, just so I don't lose any of the parts. I've got these old tyres that came on it, but I don't want to put those back on. And I've ordered some repop ones from MCI, and I think they 3D print those, so I think they just take a little bit of time before they turn up. What's remaining to do is put the electronics in it. So I've got just a metal geared servo to drop into it and a Hobbywing Copy 1060. I'll drop those in just so I run it. Once I finish running it, I might move it back to its original electronics, because I think that will be interesting to do, particularly as I do have the original mechanical speed controller in the box as well, which is a work of art. I haven't put the motor in it yet. I've got the Palmer 17 turn that it came with. I've also got this, but I'm thinking of saving that little beauty for my RC10cc, because I think that will look good with the clear and silver look of that model. So we'll stick with that. Only other problems, none of the batteries I've got. I thought these 7-cell batteries that I got from the Poor Boy RC Speed Challenge when I was running brushed, I thought those would fit in here, but they're too long. And then I thought maybe this 2S LiPo would fit in, but that's too long as well, so I'll have to order a shorty 2S LiPo, I guess, to put that in. And then the other remaining thing to resolve is I thought I had bearings for the front wheels so it could be fully ball raced, but they don't fit, they're too big. So I'll have to do a trip into the model shop. I might do that tomorrow to get some bearings for it and finish it off. But yeah, there it is. RC10, all stripped and cleaned. The way it's cleaned up and how good it's looking, I was whinging a bit in my first video about how much it cost to buy this, but it's been a pretty good buy. I think it's in great condition. Looking forward to running it. See you soon. Thanks. Bye.